Welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. Hope you all are doing good. So here in this video we are going to see that how we can send bulk email on the daily basis mentioning the recipient's name with its mail. So I'm going to show you the entire process in this video, and you can see that my channel Basics with Meeta here. You can search on YouTube and you can find my videos there. I have informed the multiple ways of sending bulk email free of cost that you can see, and you can see that here I have mentioned how to send bulk email free, so you can see, and here I have informed using Outlook how you can configure your Gmail ID to send bulk email on daily basis. So that I have already informed. My one of subscriber asked that he learned how to send the bulk email, but he was asking that how to send bulk email mentioning the recipient name in each emails. So that I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to cover that same, and I'll tell you that how you can mention the recipient name with each emails very easily. So let's see that how we are going to do it. And till that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it now. You can search me with Basics with Meeta, and you can subscribe my channel to get the concrete steps about the basic informations and the email sending bulk email on daily basis. You can find entire thing on my videos. So let's dive into the video content now. So what you need first is the Outlook ID, and the configuration way already I have informed in my one of the video, and I'll give you the link of that video that how you can configure your Gmail ID to Outlook. And here you can see that once we open the Outlook, we will go on tool, then I'll go to the account setting. You can use any Outlook, any MS Office. Here I'm using 7, but whatever the office you are using, you can easily check by going to the account setting. So here you can see that my mail ID I have configured here this email ID, and using this I'm going to send the bulk email. So it is already configured here, and if you want to know how to configure the Gmail ID to send the bulk email, for that I have already made the video. I'll give you the link below in the description. First watch that video if you don't know how to do the configuration of the Gmail ID, then you can do this way. And after the configuration, the next step what you have to follow to mention the name of each recipient with its mail, that I'm going to show you here. So configuration you can see here. So I have opened up the Outlook, and I'll go to the tool, account setting, and here you can see that I'm using this account. So already I'm having this one account here, so I'll select this one only and then click on close. Now what you have to do is you have to make a Excel sheet. You can see here, let me zoom it. So this is how you have to create the Gmail, this is how you have to create the Excel sheet. Let me zoom it here. So you can see that the Excel sheet where you have to mention the email and the name so that you can send the email with its name. So this is how you have to create an Excel sheet, and here you can mention the multiple emails with the recipient names, but I'm having the list of 5 emails with its name. That is why I'm showing this much of data. You can put more emails with its name here. So this is how you have to create one Excel sheet. Now you have to save it, and we have next you have to open up the Word file. Here you can see that Word, and in the Word you can mention the content which you want to send to your recipient, or the mail which you want to send to your recipient with their names. So here as you can see that in this Word file I have mentioned the email, but name is not mentioned here. So how we can mention the name? I'm putting it here. You would be easily able to see, and you can easily able to do it. So let's see that how we can put the names here as per our list which is there in the Excel sheet. So I'll use these names to send mail on these particular mail IDs. So here you have to write the content which you have to send the mail, and I'll click here after hello or hi. Then what I have to do first, I'll go to the mailing. Click on mailing and you have to select the select recipient option. Use existing list because we have already created a Excel sheet with the email and its name. So you have to select the Excel sheet. So I have kept it in the desktop. Select your Excel file name. Now the recipient is selected. I have kept the data in Excel sheet 1. Now you can see that my recipient Excel sheet is selected. Now I have to mention the name here. So how we can mention the name of each email here that we have mentioned in the name. So I'll go to this option, insert merge field. Click here and you will get the option of name. So once I'll click on it, you can see that it is automatically mentioned here. You can see now it is mentioned hello and the name. It will directly fetch the each name which is mentioned here with its mail ID. While sending the mail, it will fetch the names which is just beside it. So you can see that this is how you have to put. And if you want to mention the other data here, like see some other information which you want to mention and the information varies for each email, so you can make another column, and here wherever you want you can put the cursor and you can select the field. So as you can see that only two things I need, one is email and one is name. So name already I have mentioned here. Okay, so this is done, and now we are going to send the email. So here you can see that finish and merge. So I'll click here and I'll go to the option of send email message. Now here you can see that email and name we have already selected, so we will select the email here. Mention the subject line. Any subject line which you want you can mention, and I'll click on all because I have to send the mail to all the data which I'm having of the 4 list. So click on OK, and here you are getting the option if you want to send from or to, like from some number to some number, so that also you can select and you can mention. So here I have selected all because I'm having only 4 list here. Click on OK, and once I'll click on OK, I'll see that in the Outlook my mails will start sending. Now you can see that 1 2 3 4 mail, each mails you can see in the outbox. Now you can see that it is sending. Here you can see that numbers are decreasing and all the 4 mails has sent. So this is done, and now let me show you that how you can check that where the mail sent. So I'll go to the email ID. I'll open up the Gmail ID I'm using, so that you will have idea that how using the Outlook configuration we can send the mails through Gmail ID. Recipient name. So this is how you can do the bulk mail on regular basis. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it now, because I'm making always videos on concrete stuffs, and I am telling you the free ways that you can use to send the bulk email. You can see that in sent, I'll go. Here you can see that increase your sales. Just now you can see that on 14th I have sent, and I had mentioned the increase your sales. You can see that my all the 4 mails is sent here. Let me show you the names which I had mentioned. So you can see that hello Priya, and the same ways you can see that entire email list will you can see that entire emails will send with its recipient name here. So you can see now I'll go to the second one. So you can see that it fetched the name which I had mentioned just beside this with its mail ID. So this is how you can send the emails to the recipient with their names, and you can follow this way. And for the configuration, if you don't know how to configure your Gmail ID to Outlook, so for that already I have made the video on my channel. I'll give you the link of this video, and here I have mentioned the entire thing that how you can configure your Gmail ID, and after that you can send the bulk email. But here I had not covered that how you can mention the recipient name, but in this video I have mentioned following the same way to send the bulk email. I have mentioned how you can send the bulk email using the recipient names that you have just learned. So do subscribe my channel and share it as much as possible, so that others, if they are searching for this to send free bulk email, because most of them having the financial issues, and for that they, if they are starting, they are looking for such ways. That is why I'm trying to cover my best to try to tell you the free things that you can use if you're doing the email marketing, affiliate marketing. So you can use this way. So do share my channel and let you grow, and let me grow by sharing my channel, my videos to your friend circle, and give thumbs up to this video if you like this way, and just share it as much as possible. Till then, take care.